What's up, everybody? My name is Austin. You are watching the Powerstroke channel. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers. I'm going to do a fat burnout for you guys.
Goals I have set for my channel by the end of 2018 is 500 subscribers.
You guys, we hit 500 subscribers. It is April 7th and we're at 500. Look at that. Look at that, 525. We're already a quarter of the way through 500. I can't even think of what to say. This is crazy. In January, I told you guys I wanted to have 65 by the end of January and 500 by the end of the year. And here we are, 4 months later with 500. I apologize for my voice. I'm a little sick. My throat's really sore. I'm a little bit plugged up. But I'm doing this because you know what? You guys deserve a thank you. I honestly couldn't have gotten here without you guys. This is all thanks to you, and I am so excited for the future of this channel. As you may have seen, I changed the logo in the intro. I thought that logo would be better on t-shirts and hats and stuff like that, and I thought you guys would like it. Let me know what you think of it below. I made it to make it a more simple and kind of a really cool looking logo. Seriously guys, thank you so much for 500 subscribers. My new end of year goal, 2,000. I know we can get there. We're already a quarter of the way there, and it's April. With your guys' support, I absolutely believe we can hit 2,000. Thank you guys so much for everything that you've done for me. I love that you guys comment my videos, like them, share them. I try to comment back to everybody, like and love your comments, because you know what? It's the least I can do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and sharing my videos and commenting below. Here's to 2,000, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.